Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to stop home screen rotation in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. First of all, look at the home screen. This is home screen and all items are showing here. If you rotate your phone to horizontal, home screen is also rotated. All items on the home screen are also rotated. Okay, if you would like to turn off this home screen rotation, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to home screen, then go to home screen, and here you will find one option, rotate to landscape mode. It is already turned on, so that home screen is rotated when you rotate your phone. Okay, if you would like to turn off home screen rotation, just turn off this button so that home screen will not be rotated when you rotate your phone. See here, now I am rotating my phone and home screen is not rotated. So in this way you can easily turn off home screen rotation in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.